I honestly don't want to believe that even as simple as cornrowing your own hair, some people still find it difficult to cornrow. And here is the perfect video for you to learn how to cornrow. Okay, if you are a complete starter, okay, watch this video to the end so that you are going to learn how to cornrow. So what you are just seeing me doing is parting out the first hair. This is your starter hair. This is the hair you are going to just start your cornrow with. Okay, so you just need, just like you are about to do boss braids, you just need to part out 3 hairs, then braid it the first one, and then the second one you now start adding hairs, little hairs. If you want your cornrow, let me just tell you a secret. If you want your cornrows to be thick, if you want your cornrows to be neat, if you want your cornrows to be very bold and looking very neat and beautiful, just make sure that while you are going back, that you are just taking little pieces of hair, just little. But trust me, if you want to confirm, just try it yourself. If you are packing hairs, I mean while you are doing the cornrows, and then you are packing hairs, and while you are feeding in the cornrow, you are packing hairs, your cornrow is not going to come out nice. But as long as you are just taking little strands of hair, trust me, the outcome is going to be so nice. So keep watching. I hope you are with your material so that while I'm doing this cornrow, you will join me too. Okay, if you have any question, drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to make a video. I will definitely reply. Okay, as long as you are on my channel, you will definitely learn how to braid. Okay, make sure to press the like button, share this video, it's very important, and support my page by pressing the red subscribe button. Learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with beloved. Learn leather hair, learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with beloved. I am a
ever had.